Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is October 3rd, so welcome to October when I'm recording this. And the reason why I waited is because there was news of an emergency Fed meeting today. So we're going to see what that does as far as the market goes. And it seems to me that it, we can speculate what the meeting is about. Maybe it's going to be about, the market going down so much, and I don't know, they're going to try and stabilize it, something like that. We can speculate. But that aside, with the indexes themselves, we're seeing that things are really oversold. I mean, it's pretty crazy how far down this is. And we've seen this, several times before where price gets really oversold and then we get a bounce. We also know the put-call ratio is wildly high. And so there is the chance. And also, if we actually look at Friday, we got an undercut and now we're back up. So this could end up being an undercut and rally. Because for as much as price was looking like it was going to go down, and it did on Friday, and then they reverse it, that's a bear trap. So, you get everybody down there, it's breaking new lows, people start loading up short and think it's going to go that direction, and whoop, nope, that was just a tease. So between that bear trap, the undercut and rally, the the Fed meeting today, the emergency one, there could be a short squeeze setting up. So if that happens, I'm just kind of figuring, 380, kind of look at 380. Seems easy. I kind of think we could be in something like this. So it could only be a few day trade. This is not going to be like a new trend or something like this. I first think there's going to be a bounce because we could really get into this. And you just got to make sure that if you're trading from here to here and then here to here and just back and forth, we can get something like that. So I think the easy move is pretty much daily 21, maybe a little bit higher than that, and then kind of wherever the hourly 200 might end up. Plus, there's kind of a level right here, just above 380. You can see right here, there's a bit of a level. So something like that's kind of what I'm thinking. Just an idea, first move, and then be careful after that. So we're still in a bear market, and it just means that right now things are oversold, and we'll have to see how far this bounce goes. So take care. We'll catch you at the next one.
Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.